What's up, guys? It's Jay from the Crypto Arc, coming back to you once again with more cryptocurrency news. The news that I'm going to share with you are three really undervalued picks, and they are part of an ecosystem that I've been involved in since day one of crypto, and that is the XRP ecosystem as well as its twin brother or sister, XLM protocol. And there are three picks. Before I show you them, I just want to say that nothing in this video is financial advice, so please do not see it as financial advice. Do your own research, okay? I will show you the names, and then you can do your deep digging yourself. All right, let's get into this. Oh, look. Take a look at the market first. So as you can see, we're still kind of hovering around 47, 48,000 mark for Bitcoin. So we got to pay attention to this guy because wherever this guy goes, the market will follow. And also the stable coins right here, USDC, USDT, BUSD. As you can see, they're in the greens. So that means people are holding on to the stable coins and not buying their assets yet. Not yet. As of right now, CME still has their contracts to expire tomorrow. And then they're going to start a new one starting next month and next year. Alright, so that's it for that one. I'm not going to show you the repo. I'll do that after if I have time. Alright, let's get to the MYC pick. And here they are. This graphic was inspired by Pokemon. As you can see, you have Charizard, Blastoise, and here's Venusaur. I mean, I like this idea, man. It's the trio, the original trio, and for me, I love Pokemon. I grew up playing Pokemon, man. When I was introduced to that thing, I was glued to the computer. I played with the emulator because it had this speed button that allowed me to like finish the game much quicker and enjoy the game much faster. Um, but if I were to pick which one of these three I would go for is Blastoise or the blue one. Me, my favorite color is blue, and I love water, so like it was natural for me to pick this guy or Squirtle when it's the start. Anyways, Equilibrium Games and MYC. Mega Yacht Cult. They are one of the first, or the first, comedy finance gaming channel. And if you haven't seen Dion's videos yet, I highly suggest that you visit the description below. If you look in the teachers section, you will see Mega Yacht Cult in there, or MYC Network. Just follow their YouTube channel and watch the videos. There's a lot of truth spitting in there in regards to geopolitical news as well as cryptocurrency. And if you want to make money, I highly suggest you join or yeah, at least subscribe to the channel and look at the information that's presented to you, because Dion has done a really good job of doing like high quality research, so that way we get in the bottom and own the bottom and ride it all the way up. And right now we're still riding all three of these picks. We're still at the bottom right now. A lot of these picks are already mostly decentralized, so we don't have to worry about the developers like dumping on us. More specifically, Equilibrium Games. Now, reason why this is going to be like a super bullish pick, it's because they're with one of them is because they're with Unreal Engine. Oh shit! I shoot. Oh my god. There we go. So here's an example of their graphics. As you can see, the lighting and the shading and all that, it's good stuff. It looks super realistic, but you know what? That is made with their technology. Here's another example. Look at that. Look at these two graphics. I think this is Call of Duty. I'm not entirely sure. But anyways, looks nice, man. Looks super realistic. And yes, Equilibrium Games is on the XRPL. For those of you that don't know, XRP is that super Illuminati coin that everyone is aiming to own. Originally, I got in through XRP. A good friend of mine, told me about XRP, and I blindly invested because I trust the guy. And you know what? It was a good move, and I am forever grateful to him for that. So thank you, Jeff. Anyways, With this whole idea of the metaverse, you can play games that will allow you to earn money, basically, in exchange for your time and attention. And the amount of attention that this game is going to bring, or this company, is quite a lot. Because, yeah, this company is not just making one game, man. Actually, let me show you the chart first. They're basically like an ecosystem, like Gala. Gala has its own ecosystem, and games are being developed on top of it. And because of that, Gala is fucking exploding. All right, so right now, EQ is trading at 86 cents. And if you look at the max supply, it's only 100 million. That is very low. So when people put more money into this, the price of this is just gonna skyrocket, or it's gonna be super volatile. That's just letting you know. And yes, it is going to be risky because it's in the beginning stage. But given who's, I mean, like who it's, I mean, not you, like the tech that's behind it, it's definitely going to make astronomical gains, going past Uranus. And the market cap for this one is still below 100 million. CoinGecko doesn't show, and I don't really like using CoinMarketCap, so I'm not going to show you that. But I'm just letting you know it's below 100 million. So there's a long way to go, and marketing for them will starting next year, I believe. So when that kicks in, the price of this guy is going to be reminiscent for you because you won't see it ever again. So, in my honest opinion, I would highly suggest you move in now because once marketing kicks in, trust me, this thing will go past $1 again, past $2, $3, and yeah. Anyways, all right, let's take a look at the yearly chart. So, one of the best times to get in was early October this year. Fuck. And sometimes when you look at these charts, you kind of like have those feelings like, oh man, I wish I had known about this project around this time. I'm having one of those right now. I don't like it. But anyways, I got in around, oh crap, it doesn't even show, around the 40 to 50 cents area. The day before, it was actually around here. That's when Dion called it. This guy is a fucking sniper, man. He knows when to just move in. But anyways, I was told about it around like 25 cents area, and then I was just slacking on it. I was just thinking about it, and then like the next day I was like, you know what? I'll pull the trigger because I do believe that Unreal Engine is going to like make this company bring in a lot of customers. So right when I made the decision, it's already at 40 cents, and I'm like, fuck, I fucked up. But anyways, I still jumped in. I didn't let my emotions get the best of me, and knew the potential of this in the long run. And I'm glad that I did because when I did, look at that, it just doubled within a couple of days. And then right after that, it went to like $1. Right now, it's consolidating at a certain range around in the 80 cents area, which is good. It's just establishing newer floors. For me, I needed to pull profit to buy or take another bet, take another risk, which is on Thor Finance. For those of you that don't know, they're basically doing something new with the mutual fund idea. Basically, they're invested in like around 200 protocols, and they take. Anyway, I'll talk about that some other time. So you know what? Where can you get this? You can get it in Bitrue and also the Exum wallet or Zoom wallet, which is once again XRP protocol. All right, let's take a look at the website. Here it is. Look at that. Oh, I like that. It's very interactive. Look at that. Oh. So when it comes to the gaming industry, right now, in my honest opinion, it's a baby. With blockchain technology, it's going to make it go way up because people are going to be staying inside more, so they need some sort of entertainment. And gaming is definitely evolving. As you can see, the whole metaverse idea, people are now going inside the matrix. Inside the matrix. I do believe we're already in a matrix, but now this is a deeper matrix, one that is built to capture your soul. It's a conspiracy. So yes, EQ is going to be their main cryptocurrency. So I don't know what kind of games they're going to have, but I can imagine it to be super Amazing. Let's see here. You know what? You guys can definitely just do the digging for yourself, because there's plenty of more things to talk about this, and I don't want to expand too much on it, because I want to talk about the other picks. So some gameplay right there. Let's see. So, oh yes, you can also get it in the Sologenic decks. Yeah, decentralized exchange as well as. Oh, and in Bitrue, you can stake it for 7% APY. Keep that in mind. So yeah, that's a bit of Equilibrium Games. Once again, it's on the XRPL, and it's using Unreal Engine. Next one on the list, which is Mobius. Oh boy. So I got in. Let's take a look at this. Let's see her. Alright. So I started noticing it around here. Okay. I should have pulled the trigger on this time, man, because I had enough to get like 100,000 stack, but silly me. I fell asleep and I pulled the trigger around here. Around here when I woke up. So, and then it did a pullback. Should have pulled more. But yeah, I rode it all the way up there. And then in here, I kind of FOMO'd in, which is a mistake. Because after that, I started dumping down. So right now, my profits are just eating shit until it goes back up again. But I'm not too worried, man, because this company is doing some stealth marketing, according to Dion. And XLM protocol, I believe. Let me show you guys. So, according to this graph, or this Stellar Development Foundation still has not tapped in to their marketing money, or not as much. How much is this? Like a bill? Just 21 mil. Man, I wish I had that kind of money. Anyways, what do you think is going to happen when they start using more of this to market their ecosystem? Imagine the price of Mobius. Right now, a market cap is still 94 million for something that it's doing, and look at the total supply. This is also deflationary as well, guys. They burn their coins on a monthly basis, and they actually post about it on their Twitter. So this guy is doing some big things. They are partners with Passfolio, and Passfolio just recently partnered with, I think, Google. I don't have the picture or the article to support to show you guys, but definitely look into this and look into that partnership. So right now, where I got this, I use the Lobster wallet. You can get in the Google Play Store or Apple Store. And it's free to get. You just gotta do your KYC and stuff. But anyways, this right now, in my honest opinion, is still very, very low. It will definitely go back up to like 32 cents area again, and then make newer highs. Pretty sure that was its. Let me take a look at this guy overall. Oh shit. Oh, wow, look at that. 33 cents. Okay, we haven't beat the old high yet. But we were going to. I mean, fuck, look at that, man. Damn. That would have been a good time to move in. And like, you don't know these things, man. You don't know if a project is going to do well or not. That's what the risk of investing is. I mean, yeah, investing does come with a risk, especially with cryptocurrencies. Okay, next one. Smart Lands. So this one is involved in real estate. Market cap for this guy is 50 million, and look at the total supply, 7.1 mil. That's insane. So this one is in the XLM protocol as well, with Mobius, and they're basically tokenizing real estate. And their goal right now, according to this tweet by Andy, who does a lot of research on smart lands. Let's see. For every 1 billion tokenized, the estimate is that you get $7 per SLT, and their goal is to tokenize 1 trillion within 3 years. So, okay, you can take a look. This is Andy Jamhart, follow him on Twitter. So if you take a look at that price right now, it's sitting around $9.80 with only a market cap of 50 million. So imagine just at least 1 billion going in here. What do you think the price will be? I think they did a calculation on that as well. Let me see if I have it. I don't have it. But anyways, let's see here. So they are days away from being able to fully operate across Europe through the oh fuck Liechtenstein's digital asset laws. Oh boy, I'm not gonna read this. Oh boy, look at I can barely pronounce that. But anyways, they're gonna get more exposure starting next year, and we're basically at the bottom right now. If you think about it, we're at the bottom. So enjoy this price, guys, and stack up. And yeah, that is not financial advice, but in my honest opinion, I think this one will definitely help me retire. Not only myself, but my parents. And you can stake this guy too. I think the staking right now is I forgot the rate. Oh boy, I shouldn't have said that. But anyways, that is all I have for this video, guys. So once again, Smartlands SLT, Mobius, MOBI, and Equilibrium Games EQ. So if you did enjoy this information, press that like button. Also share this information as well. Subscribe and also look into Mega Yacht Cult. Join the crew, man, because we want to be the new 1%. We want to be part of the new 1%. And going to this new economy, there's going to be a lot of flipping that will happen. And if you're not ready, you know what? You could get flipped towards the other side, the wrong side of history. We want to be in the right part of it. I mean, the right side of history. And I definitely do think we're doing that right now. We're causing a big splash in the crypto market. And yeah. Anyways, take care.